Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to calculate percentages in Google Sheets. So to start with, open up your Google Sheet and fill in the rest of the information. Like you can see, I've got an exam percentage sheet here. So I've got names, their marks, and what the marks were out of. So when you filled out that information, we can calculate the percentage. So click into the cell, and then first of all, you're going to type in equals. Then you're going to click on the cell of the lower number, then forward slash, and the larger number. And there I'm going to press enter. Then I'm going to click back into the cell and click format as a percentage. So it's showing me that the percentage is 80%. So instead of repeating that for every single cell, I can just click on the little blue spot, drag and drop, and it will fill out the percentages for the rest of the spreadsheet. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.